Okay, let's talk. I'm so excited. Yo, we have an unboxing video. We got to get into it. So I just received this video from the recipient of 4 of my custom crochet baseball caps. And this one done let her daughter sit there and do an unboxing video. And it is so cute, man. And I just want to say thank you, LaShonda, for your purchase. Your daughter is adorable. And you're welcome, boo, for the hats. Now let's watch this video.
Hi y'all. So we got unboxing because my mama got a package from BB. So first one, got this one.
Yes.
Very cutesy, very demure. Let me try this one.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Very cute, very cute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then we got this one. I like this one very much. I might steal this one from my mama.
That is really cute on her. Oh, watch out, LaShonda. She about to steal your pancake.
See? Then
Awesome.
got this one. Nice colorful one. Okay. And we got, it's the last one, I think. Yeah, this is the last one. Got this one right here. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of the video. We have 4 very cute hats from BB. Thank you, BB, for the cute hats. We love them.
You're welcome, baby. I'm so glad you like them.